Are you looking for the best engine enamels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best engine enamels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, VTSP 148 Light Gray Premier Can Engine Enamel. This product comes with excellent finish and durability, chemical and heat resistance, and can withstand a temperature of up to 500 degrees when under the right curing. Another thing that you need to know regarding this excellent product is the fact that it is best when used together with the Premier Color Paint and the Clear Color process. Therefore, if the product that you are looking for is this, then I should inform you that you are not lost. You have chosen the best product that comes with high efficiency and with the right price. At number 4, Rust-Oleum 248,392 12-ounce 500 Automotive Engine Enamel. This engine enamel is just a fantastic choice for everyone. The good thing about this excellent product is that it comes with the right value and price and thus making it one of the top performing products on the market. What you should know therefore regarding this unique enamel spray is that it comes with a smooth finish and elegant design and thus is the best product for its purpose. The other features just to mention include the durable finish, and the ability to resist both oil, grease, salt, rust, and humidity among other things that can damage the engine. At number 3, Dupli-Color MC201 Blue Metal Enamel. This blue metal enamel comes with amazing features that make the product effective and efficient for its function. The features just to mention include but not limited to the presence of excellent high gloss, anodized color effect, heat resistance that goes up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and the easy touch spray nozzle. This product, therefore, is the best choice if you are looking for an effective and efficient product that will give you the results that you want. At number 2, Rust-Oleum 248,903 Automotive High Heat Spray Paint. This automotive paint is a suitable choice if you are looking for a product that you can use even for the parts among other functions. It is durable and thus can last for long. That effect is what is created when you apply the product. Another thing that is worth mentioning when it comes to this product is that of heat resistance, durability, and the long-lasting finish, and the suitability for more purposes. This spray is therefore what you need if you are looking for an excellent and durable finish that glows and glitters. At number 1, Rust-Oleum 7,778,830 High Heat Enamel Spray. This product comes top under this category due to its effectiveness and the efficiency when it comes to the performance. Of course, you would have to expect great results from this super awesome product that come with invaluable features. In this case, the features include the elegant finish, that is the rich satin finish, the presence of Rust-Oleum, and the fast drying feature makes this unique product the best-selling product on the market. Therefore, if you want the best, I would recommend this product to you as it also comes with the right pricing. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.